Morning, children. This is Vedugopal from Little Heart Publications with the Social Studies subject, Class 1. The first lesson in the Class 1 is My Family. Before we start discussing the lesson, we need to know answers for the questions which are written there on the board or which are given already there in the textbook at the beginning of the lesson under formative assessment. Means we are going to give you an idea about how forming or understanding about the things that we are going to discuss in this particular lesson. So, before that, we need to know what is a family or who form a family. What is a family or who form a family? Can you answer that question? We have learned that already there in the lower classes. Now you all live in a family. In your family you have parents, your siblings, means your brothers or sisters, or sometimes in your family you have your grandparents, your uncles, aunts, and also their children. This all comes under family. Family is a unit in which parents, means mother and father, and their children make a part. Family is a group of members staying together or living together in a house. That family consists of parents and their children. Sometimes parents, children, their children's grandparents, uncles, aunts, their children also all live together. These all are together called a family because a group of members are staying together in a house. That is called a family. How many kinds of families are there? I told you just before, in your house, how many members are there? For example, along with you, your sister or brother and your parents. Totally are your parents and you only. There are 3 members or 4 members in a family. For example, let us suppose that there are only 4 members or 3 members in a family. Parents means mother and father and their 1 or 2 children. That comes under a small family. When we live together with our parents, our grandparents, our uncles, aunts and their children, all that together is called a large or joint family. Now you have to think and answer whether yours is a small family or a large or joint family. You know how many of are living there in your house together? Are you living only with your parents and your sister or brother? That means it's a very small family. Only 4 members are there, sometimes only 3 members are there. You along with your parents. Sometimes some children, some of you may be living with your parents, their parents, means your parents' parents, and your uncles and aunts, means the brothers of your father or mother or your sisters of your father or mother and their children. This all comes under a large or joint family. Once you understand these questions, this lesson is easy to understand. Okay, children, what are the 4 questions? I repeat. What is a family or who form a family? Family is a unit or is a group of members living together. Then how many kinds of families are there? 2 kinds of families. One is a small family, another one is large or joint family. What is a small family? In a family, when there are only 3 or 4 members, you call it a small family. When you have more than 8 or 10 members in your family, it is called a large or joint family. Is it very clear from these 4 questions? And these 4 questions only will form you an idea about a family and kinds of families, different types of families, and their definitions also. Look at what is given there. Father, mother, and their children make a family. If you look at page number 8 of your textbook, in lesson 1, My Family, you can see at the beginning, these questions are written, and immediately after that, father, mother, and their children make a family. Look at the following picture. How many members are there in that family you see? Father, mother sitting in the middle on the sofa. On the left side, one girl is sitting there on the sofa. One boy is standing beside the sofa. Total, how many members are there? 4 members. What do you call it? You call it a small family or a large family? Small family. So, after showing the picture like this, you can introduce yourself as well as your family members to your classmates. For example, look at this picture. This is my family. My father's name is, you have to write your father's name here. My mother's name is, I have one brother. My sister's name is, there are dash members in my family. How many members? 4 members. My family is a small family. Like this, you have to understand the concept of family. How many members are there in your family? First you count. You know the counting? 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 members are there, it's a small family because very little number of members are there in the family. Look at the picture in the next page, in page number 9. You can look at the picture. It shows Shashank's family picture. There is a boy named Shashank. His family picture is given there in the next page, page number 9. We can see Shashank's parents, his brother, his sister, his grandparents, his uncle and aunt. There are 9 members there in the family. If you look at the picture and count the number, you can see there are 9 members in the family. Shashank's family is a large family. And large families are also called joint families. Because you live with your parents, with your grandparents, with your uncles, aunts and their children. This is called a joint family or a large family because number of people in the family are more. That's why it is a large family. When the number of members in a family is less, we call it a small family. A small family is a happy family. Do you agree with this? A small family is a happy family because there are very less number of people, parents and their 1 or 2 children, a small family. So you have to understand that a small family is a happy family. Are you happy with your family members? You understand the meaning of a small family and a large family or joint family? And we also have to know one particular thing which is given in the fact file. In this it is given about a family tree. This is how you draw a family tree. Grandfather, grandmother, then your parents. grandmother. Your parents, father, mother. Then their brothers are their children, their children. Like that we write a family tree. What is a family tree? A generation of people, their sons, daughters, grandchildren, all put together in the form of a tree like this is called a family tree. In the form of a diagram like this is called a family tree. So, before we conclude, let us recollect what we have discussed in this lesson. Father, mother and their children make a family. It's a small family. Grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunts and their children make a large family. It is also called a joint family. A small family is a happy family. Now, we have some tasks given here, task for summative assessment, in which under A, you are given questions, answer the following questions. Under B, you are given some blanks. Under C, you are given a family tree in which you are asked to write the names of the family members. Then, under D, you are given a matching exercise. Let us complete these exercises. We will be discussing these exercises. All this will be sent to you in the through the WhatsApp so that you can copy those things there in your classworks. Okay, children? Answer the following questions under A. What is a family? What is a family? A family, when you write the answer, you can write in different ways. A family is a group of members or a group of people living together in a house. This is one way of writing. Or you don't want to write like that answer, you can write father, mother and their children make a family. This is either this or this. Both answers, any of the answers you can write. This is what is given there in the textbook. For this, question must have been asked in a different way. For example, if the question is given there, who make a family? Then you can write father, mother and their children make a family. This is the first answer. The second answer, what is a small family? It is summative assessment, means you have to understand the question. The question answer may not be there directly given in the textbook, but you have to use your idea to write the answer for the question. What is a small family? What is a small family? A family having parents and their children. Answer. A family with the parents and their children living together is a small family. A family with the parents and their children living together is a small family. Question number 3. How many members are there in your family? You count and write. Look at how to write that answer. How many members are there in your family? Then you write the answer for this like this. There are dash. How many members we don't know. You have to count your family with the members and write. Dash members in my family. Which means you can write the count the number of your family members including yourself and write that number there. If there are 4 or 5, you write there are 4 members in my family. There are 5 members in my family. There are only 3 members in my family. You have to count and write the answer for that question. Which family is called a large family? It is the next question. Which family is called a large family? What is the answer for this? Which family is called a large family? A family in which parents, grandparents, uncles and aunts with their children a family in which parents, grandparents, uncles and aunts with their children and their children, and their children living together is called a large family. You understand, children? A family in which parents, grandparents, uncles and aunts and their children live together. Live together. Is called a large family. Okay? Last question. What is a joint family? A large family is a joint family. That's what we have to write. Fifth question. What is a joint family? A large family is a joint family. A large family is a joint family. A large family is a joint family. Okay, children, these answers and answers for the other exercises also will be sent to you through the WhatsApp, and you can write the answers in your classworks. Now let us go to the fill in the blanks exercise. I have a dash. You have to write whether you have a brother or you have a sister. Right. My family has dash members. How many members are there? You have to write that number there. My brother's name is. You have to write your brother's name. My grandfather's name is. Write his name there. My grandmother's name is. Write her name. Like this, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable words. It depends on your family. You have to write your own answers for that. All the answers will not be the same for this. Under C, there is a tree given there. Right, fill in the names of your family members. See, there are 5 yellow strips given there in the tree. 5 yellow strips in which you are supposed to write the names of your family members. Okay, children. Let us move on to the next page, page number 11. There is a match the following exercise. Under A, you have to match the words under column A with those under column B. Father and mother are called what? Parents. So you have to draw a line between father and mother and that word parents. Grandparents means parents of father or mother. Uncle, brother of father or mother. Aunt, sister of father or mother. Like this, you have to draw the lines to match the things there. Okay, children, with this we conclude the remaining questions. You can complete there according to your own ideas, concept based questions, and also there is an assignment for formative assessment. You have to collect the details of one small family and one large or joint family in your neighborhood and complete the following table. Small family, large or joint family, write the name of that particular members of the family and what is the occupation or what do they do. With that, in the next page, there is a big box given there in which you have to paste the photograph of your family. Then in the word grid, you have to identify the words and circle them. Father, mother, brother, sister. These words you have to write in boxes for a kind of exercise for fun time. And the worksheet related to this lesson will be sent to you through the WhatsApp in the coming week. Thank you.